Word of the day, promise, means to say that you will definitely do something or that something will happen. मतलब वादा करना, वादा, यकीन दहानी कराना. Let's learn uses of the word promise with examples and practice sentences.
English Booster by Kashwani. One word a day. Say it the better way. Subscribe for your daily dose.
To say, you will do something, मतलब किसी काम का वादा करना. Example, I promise to help you. मैं तुम्हारी मदद करने का वादा करती हूँ. To assure someone, यकीन दहानी कराना. Example, she promised that she would come. उसने वादा किया कि वो आएगी. As a noun, a commitment. इसम के तौर पर यानी कि वादा. Example, he kept his promise. उसने अपना वादा पूरा किया. To show, signs of success. उम्मीद जाहिर करना. Example, the plan promises success. ये मंसूबा कामयाबी की उम्मीद जाहिर करता है. In negative form, वादा पूरा ना करना. Example, he broke his promise. उसने अपना वादा तोड़ दिया. Let's practice these sentences to save in your active memory. Learn and repeat. I promise to tell the truth. मैं सच बोलने का वादा करती हूँ. She promised to help me. उसने मेरी मदद करने का वादा किया. He kept his promise. उसने अपना वादा पूरा किया. Don't break your promise. अपना वादा मत तोड़ो. They promised to come on time. उन्होंने वक्त पर आने का वादा किया. I promise I will call you. मैं वादा करती हूँ कि मैं आपको फ़ोन करूँगी. She made a promise to her mother. उसने अपनी माँ से वादा किया. He promised that he would work hard. उसने वादा किया कि वो मेहनत करेगा. Keep your promise. अपना वादा पूरा करो. This project promises good results. ये मंसूबा अच्छे नताइज की उम्मीद दिलाता है. I promise not to lie. मैं झूठ ना बोलने का वादा करता हूँ. She broke her promise. उसने अपना वादा तोड़ दिया. He promised to finish the work. उसने काम मुकम्मल करने का वादा किया. Do you promise? क्या तुम वादा करते हो? They made a serious promise. उन्होंने संजीदा वादा किया. Here is a quick tip. Let's learn important structures. Promises always use plus to plus word. I promise to help. Promise that plus sentence. She promised that she would come. Make, keep, break a promise. Keep your promise. Always use make, keep, break, plus promise. It's time to homework now. Make any two sentences with word and share in the comment section to make collection of beautiful sentences for practice and use it in your daily life from today. Thanks for watching. Keep learning, keep growing, keep practicing and subscribe this channel for more videos.